Up, fam? It's your boy Craig, man. Hey, look, let's get directly to the point of why you here. Yo, I want to talk to you about the next stock that's set to explode in my portfolio, and what I'm not even here to just trying to run my game on my portfolio. I'm here to just let you know it's blood in the streets and it's time to eat. And man, that stock symbol that we need to be checking out today is Coinbase, C-O-I-N, baby. And let me tell you why. Because man, there's articles out there that's attacking what's going on with Coinbase right now, man, saying that their revenues is only locked in when it comes to what's going to happen in the crypto market. And when it is market correction happens in the crypto market, the revenue is going to go down. I don't think that type of analysis is wrong. But what I want to talk to you about, though, that if you're a long-term investor, you're already used to being an investor in crypto. If you're an investor in crypto, then you already understand what's going to happen when it comes to the market correction. See, what people are not talking about, though, is when is that market correction going to happen? Is it going to happen now, or is it going to happen in the winter, or is it going to even happen sometime next year? And the longer that market correction takes to happen, the bigger the price point that Bitcoin and the rest of the coin market cap of all the altcoins is going to go to. So we're already seeing that it's trading towards $2 trillion in alternate crypto. But now let's talk about it from an aspect where this stock can actually thrive and actually benefit from. Let's say, for example, that Bitcoin decides to run all the way up to 100K before it decides to have a market correction. And a lot of people started having to go into this bear market when it comes to crypto. Well, in 2017, Bitcoin ran to $20,000 about or so, right? And then it strictly went on a downtrend all the way down to about $7,000, and it stayed in that range for a while. Now, that market correction was over 50%. Now, do you think that same market correction that happens over 50% again is still going to put Bitcoin in that same realm? No way, no how. So the longer that this crypto game keeps running in the way that it is, it's going to take longer for that market correction to get back down to the levels that we've seen in 2017, and we may not ever see those levels again, which in my personal opinion, I don't see that happening. Now, I can see a 30% correction when it comes to Bitcoin, and that's fine to me because that's kind of healthy here, right? You don't want a crypto to just keep running through the roof and then all of a sudden it has a harder time sustaining the levels that it's currently trading at. So you want to see things like this. Now, this is why I think a lot of analysts got it wrong. I think a lot of analysts are believing that now with the revenue being one of the main streams of Coinbase, they think that when other crypto exchanges come online and they're starting to get higher competitions out to Coinbase, that's going to shrink the transaction revenue because it's going to be going down to zero-based commission fees. This is possible, and maybe I'm thinking, I want to believe that Coinbase is more forward thinking than that, and they understand that eventually that is coming, because at the sustained rate that we've seen in the stock market, a lot of the stock brokerage accounts had to take a round turn on how to get around what Robinhood was doing to the market and was taking money away from them. So I would imagine Coinbase is already prepared for the battle that's ahead when it comes to low transaction fees or zero-based commission fees altogether when it comes to trading crypto. But here's the thing. A lot of analysts have already locked that in, where they've seen where Coinbase is actually getting more subscription fees quarter over quarter and year over year. And with these numbers going up, you're actually seeing Coinbase taking that trend in the right direction. So while we are seeing transaction revenue possibly going to shrink, we're seeing subscription fees actually rise in percentage base points. And that's going to show that they're actually putting more focus in. Because what Coinbase wants to do is they want to bring you to the exchange server. They want you to spend your money with them, but that's not the only thing that they're going to provide you a service for. So now they got you hooked, and that initial fee that it cost them to get you onto the platform, they're going to keep you on the platform, and that's basically free range money that they're getting from every user that they actually keep on the platform. So this is why I think a lot of analysts has this expectation wrong, and this is an actual fine time for you to jump in, because we're seeing that the private listing price was at $285. Now the standard price that they actually came to market with as a price point was $250, but you seeing people buying this on the private market around the $285 mark, and we're currently trading at the $293 mark. You're actually getting a chance to buy this at the same similar price that somebody was buying Coinbase on the private market, knowing that the price is going to run up eventually in the long term. This is a 10-year to 20-year play for a lot of people. If you're young and you're successful, or you're young and you're looking to build your wealth, this is exactly the type of play that you want to be in. A lot of people missed out on that Tesla train. Do not miss out on the Coinbase train. Okay, so let's talk about what the analysts are actually saying what the stock is going to trade at. So they got it trading on the low of 285. That's what we currently at, and that's why people was buying it on the private market, like I just stated. But then they have it trading at $479.83 on average, and then coming in on the high of $650. That's more than a double up from where we currently sitting at right now. So understand, it's blood in the streets and it's time to eat, and I need my sharks out there ready to strike, man. This is what we need to do. So let's get into the word of the day. A word of the day is called market correction. A market correction, fam, is when actually the market goes into a bear market and you're seeing a lot more bloody days and you ready to take the opportunity to buy these dips. Doing a market correction is where you actually grow more wealth, where you actually buying shares on the cheap for the next run up that you're going to see in the market. And when you get to take advantage of a market correction, that is one of the most sweetest opportunities that you'll ever see. So don't lose sight of what your goal is. The goal is to always build your wealth and always stay ready to go and always stay locked in. It's your boy Craig, man. You already know if you got value out of this content, hit me with a like. And man, definitely don't forget to subscribe to the channel and definitely hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I drop hot content like this. And man, get your 2 free stocks with Weevil on your way out the door using my link below. And I'll catch y'all in the next video. Stay safe. Peace.